Welcome back to the Less is Now Minimalism Challenge, where you get rid of some items that you no longer need or use. And today is January 12th, so 12 items will be leaving my house to find new homes. And we'll start with this spoon. I bought that spoon to use to pick up the vegetables from the hot water, but I never use it because what I keep doing is grabbing the pot, dumping it into a strainer, putting the strainer back on top of the pot. That's exactly what I do. I don't need it. And in fact, I bought it, never used it. So it's going. The next thing I'm getting rid of is A&W coupons on paper. They're expired. We found them on the floor because they fell out of the overstuffed junk drawer. So they're going. Another thing is another plastic funnel. Again, this one was on the floor because it fell out of the overstuffed junk drawer. Seems like a theme, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Next thing to go is a book about Firebirds, I guess. It's from the boyfriend stuff. He doesn't want it anymore, so that's going. Another thing that's going is a really heavy book, hardcover, Reader's Digest, complete do-it-yourself manual. It is full of stuff. It's actually a pretty amazing book, but again, we have looked into it, and the boyfriend has done some stuff, but in general, we're not using it, so he's decided to get rid of that. And it's quite big and heavy, so that's gonna go. Next, we're at 5 items here. I used to make soap, melt and pour soap, so I have soap molds. And I discovered while it is fun to do and actually very easy to do, I'm not that interested in the melt and pour style. So I have 4 silicone molds here that are going to go as well. Next, I have some soap colorant. You put this in your soap. It's like food coloring for soap, but it's not food grade, and it colors your soap. So that's an extra bottle that's going. I also have the heat shrink gun. I bought this thing to shrink wrap the saran wrap, plastic wrap that you have to put on your melt and pour soap or it sweats. So that's gonna go. And the last thing, so if we count, we're at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The last thing is the silicone wood mold for the melt and pour soap I used to use. And what I'm doing is, because these are really nice items, this is good stuff, So I'm going to take all the soap stuff and I'm going to put it up for sale. And I'm actually doing this video right away because I've already sold this heat gun. I'm waiting for the person to come pick it up. So if you have good stuff, try and sell it. The stuff costs you money. I paid $20 for this and I'm selling it for $10. So no, I'm not going to make all my money back, but I will make some. And it still works, and it's a really good functional item. Now, other stuff like these coupons, this is just paper. It's not glossy paper, it's not plastic lined, it's just regular paper. I'm going to tear this up in little pieces and put it in my compost. So that'll get rid of that. The nice book, the nice hardcover book, I'm going to try putting up for sale. But the rest of the stuff, like the spoon and the funnel, that's going to go up on my local free group for my area to see if anybody wants it. So there you go. 12 items. January 12th. See you tomorrow for another day, and we'll see how we go.